How to use PC bottleneck calculators correctly. Ever feel like your PC isn't performing at its best? You've upgraded parts, yet the frame rates and responsiveness are lacking. The culprit might be a bottleneck. In this video, we'll teach you how to correctly use bottleneck calculators to unlock your PC's top potential and dominate your gaming sessions. A bottleneck occurs when one PC component, like a CPU or GPU, limits the performance of other parts. This imbalance can cause lag, lower frame rates, or overheating. To avoid frustration, understanding bottlenecks is essential for maximizing your gaming experience and spending smartly on upgrades. PC bottleneck calculators are here to help. These tools analyze your CPU and GPU pairing to spot mismatches. When used correctly, they provide key insights into what could be stopping your system from performing at full throttle. But using them wrong, that's another story. Bottleneck calculators estimate how much your CPU or GPU influences system performance. A percentage result, e.g., 10% GPU bottleneck, tells you which component might be holding back the other. Higher percentages usually mean trouble, and figuring it out beforehand saves you from making costly upgrade errors. However, this isn't foolproof data, it's just an estimate. These calculators assume average use cases. For ultra-specific tasks like playing recent high-end AAA games or streaming, results may differ. That's why knowing how to interpret these tools is just as important as using them. Find a reliable tool. Search for credible bottleneck calculator websites like PC Builds Calculator. Avoid fly-by-night platforms that might deliver inaccurate results. Input your hardware details, include CPU, GPU, RAM, and sometimes resolution, e.g. 1080p or 1440p. Be precise to get realistic outcomes. Analyze results carefully. Look for bottleneck percentages. A range under 15% is generally acceptable for gaming. If the percentage is higher, pinpoint which component, CPU or GPU, needs attention. Consider your use case. Are you gaming, streaming, or rendering video? Each task stresses hardware differently, so tailor results to your needs. One major mistake is relying on bottleneck calculators without context. A CPU bottleneck doesn't mean your CPU is bad. It means your GPU might be too powerful for your processor. Understanding the relationship between parts is crucial for effective optimization. Another error is ignoring other factors. Bottleneck issues aren't always about CPU and GPU mismatches alone. Your RAM speed, storage type, and cooling system also contribute. Think of your PC as a team where every player counts. Now that you've analyzed bottleneck percentages, what's next? If your CPU is bottlenecked, consider upgrading to a faster processor with more cores. GPU bottleneck? Invest in a stronger graphics card that keeps up with your game's demands. But don't overspend. Sometimes the bottleneck is minor and doesn't affect gameplay noticeably. You'll save money for future rigs by upgrading only what truly needs attention. Play it smart and remember, balance is key. Before spending on hardware, try fine-tuning your current setup. Adjust in-game graphics settings like shadows and anti-aliasing to ease your GPU load. Overclocking your CPU and GPU safely could also bridge the performance gap. Don't overlook software updates. Installing the latest drivers and optimizing your Windows settings can significantly boost performance without spending a cent. Think of this as squeezing every drop of juice from your hardware. Knowing how to use PC bottleneck calculators properly can save you endless frustration and wasted money. By understanding results, avoiding common pitfalls, and making smart upgrade choices, you'll unlock your PC's true potential. Now it's your turn. Check out a reliable bottleneck calculator today at gphubprices.ai. Share your findings in the comments, and let's talk upgrades. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights designed to take your gaming to the next level.